Hello guys, today we have a tripod to unbox. Let's unbox this tripod quickly. We are getting a pouch with this. Okay, let's open this pouch. Yeah. We have a tripod, pouch, and I think one more holder here. This holder for mobile. Okay. Let's open this. Okay. We have a level meter here, and we can change this position of the camera like this. Screw fitting at the back side. And we can adjust in the 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So these are locks for that. So we can open and fix wherever we want. One, two, three, and one more step here. So total like this. Let's open this all. Okay, this is the maximum height we have here. Okay, I'm reducing the size now. So here we have one more adjustment. You can increase to here and fix this. We have your one screw fitting, and this is for alignment. That's all. Let's open this. So we can fix our camera or mobile stand here like this. And we can use this for shooting purpose. Let's fix my mobile. So here is my OnePlus 7T mobile. So I fix my mobile here, so you can see we can shoot like this, and we can adjust the height like this, and yeah, you can rotate and up and down, right side, left. Now I will replace with my old camera. Let's see how it's fixed. So I have my old camera here. I will fix this with stand. Here we have a screw, and we can adjust here. So also we have a here level meter. So this way you can shoot all the directions. Okay, this is about the tripod which I purchased recently. So thank you guys, thank you for watching the video.